Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can follow to someone on Parler. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply you have to open your Parler account, and after opening the account, as you can see, you need to go to the home section. And after going to the home section, as you can see, we are going to the home section. So let's click on this and let's go to the following. So as you can see now, these you will be able to see the posts like this. So you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will get the different types of posts here. Now you have to choose that which account you want to follow. So I'm going to choose account here. So as you can see, for example, I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, so let's click on this, and after clicking on this here, you will get the follow button here. If you want to unfollow this, you have to click on the unfollow, and it will be unfollowed. If you want to follow this again, you can also do that. Simply you will get the follow button here, so you have to click on the follow, and you will be able to follow this account. So in this way, you can follow any account on Parler. It's very easy to understand. You just have to click on the profile icon, and you will be redirected to the profile of that account. And after that, you have to hit the follow button, and that account will be followed, and you will be able to see the post of those accounts. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can follow to someone on Parler. So see you guys in the next video.